Best stainless steel gas stove. Number 5. Prestige Star Stainless Steel Manual Ignition 2 Burners Gas Stove. Approx price, 2,345 rupees. Tri-pin burner, aluminium mixing tube, high quality stainless steel body, folded edges at the bottom, taller legs, 2 years warranty. Number 4. Lifelong LLGS 990 Stainless Steel High Efficiency 2 Burner Gas Stove. Approx price, 1,299 rupees. The gas stove is designed with heavy-duty pan supports, sturdy and strong burners with high fuel efficiency. This manually operated gas stove comes with smoothly operated, ergonomically designed, heat-resistant Bakelite knobs, anti-skid legs to maintain the place and grip to the surface without slipping. Number 3. Vidin Gas Stove S3 179A Viva, 3-burner stainless steel, ISI certified. Approx price, 6,586 rupees. Viva stainless steel frameless 3-burner stainless steel gas stove. Mirror finish rust-proof heavy-gauge stainless steel body. Heavy-duty brass burners and mixing tubes. Removable spill-proof drip trays. Precision gas valves for safety and high efficiency. 5-year warranty. Number 2. Butterfly Smart Stainless Steel 2-burner gas stove, manual ignition. Approx price, 1,499 rupees. Brass burners, spill-proof design, ABS knob for durability and long life. High thermal efficiency, unique pan support for better balance. 360-degree revolving nozzle. 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 1. Sunflame Shakti 2-burner stainless steel gas stove, manual ignition. Approx price, 2,320 rupees. Dimension, 60 x 33 by 11 centimeters. Top quality 304 grade stainless steel material. Equipped with 2 high-efficiency brass burners. Heavy-duty pan supports. Knobs. Ergonomic and safe handling knobs. 2 years warranty on manufacturing defects. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.